with your new dog Goose at my feet.
It's the Goose Man. Hey, buddy. Good boy.
If you haven't seen me cut these slots out, you can get on YouTube and check it out. I did this solo this morning without Karen here. But anyway, this is how I put them together. So these are going to be obviously wood tails versus more, if probably on the scoter, all the scoter behind you, Karen.
Okay.
Those are all cork tails. So this is how I do. I save each little piece. I cut out, and again, I've shown this on YouTube before. But that's basically the cutout that came out of there, right? Mm-hmm. I used to do this without gloves. I use gloves all the time now. I can't get it with this expanding stuff. It takes forever to get it off my hands, or I need to use harsh chemicals. But yeah, just goop it in there. It'll expand nicely. I do use duct. I used to use duct tape back in the day. I like this a little bit better. Seems like it comes off a little bit nicer when I put it down. I don't know if you can skip behind me, but I do try to
so you don't twist it.
Yeah, I try to get it. I do put pressure on it, but I try to make it that it's straight.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. I have my pencil marks on the tail. I can breathe a little bit of dust today. Fancy that. Is Goose still with us?
He's just being a good shop dog.
He can't escape. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do. And it'll expand nicely, so. Thoughts, comments, questions?
Nothing yet. Oh, Woody must be taking a break from power washing. It does look pretty good.
It's a warm one here today. You would not be happy. Show him what's at my feet.
Brett entrusted us with his little ride-along buddy.
His name's Goose. Right, buddy? He's a happy little guy.
Does he have a title?
I think that he does.
Me too. I think he does as well.
I think that he does. And definitely the other dog, Maverick. He got Maverick through the spring rain recently. So.
Is it Maverick or Ranger?
Ranger. It may be a Maverick though too.
Okay, possibly.
But it was Ranger.
Woody says he's having a brew.
There you go.
Hot work.
We're doing, if you're still there, we're going to do those cheese stick wrapped things on the Gather Grill. We're going to fire that bad boy up, get it hot. Mm-hmm. We're going to do oyster too or not?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That was so good last night.
Yeah. So there. Do that. Goop a little bit here and there, everywhere. Again, this stuff gets crazy when it expands a little bit everywhere. Go ahead. Rhett said they were going to run till 5, he thought. Mm-hmm. So, unless there was a convenient breaking spot. Nobody ever sent me what the setup was, so I don't know. Freddie's doing well.
Yeah, so that's good.
Yeah, so.
Woody's suggesting we need to create a menu for the birches. We get ourselves into trouble every year with doing the menu.
Well, speaking of menus, Karen and I, maybe I won't go too much detail. Hint, wink, wink, laugh, laugh. But Karen and I just did do you go a year or 6 months?
For my annual? Yeah, it's annual, so annual physical.
Well, then how come I do it twice a year?
Maybe you're just special. Maybe it's for the elderly.
Well, I go twice a year. I guess my shit's more important.
I guess so. Maybe you're just special.
Now, because of the insurance we have, I only get PSA'd one time a year.
What is PSA'd?
My prostate screen.
Oh.
But other than that, is that too much information for everybody?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, it's just my health insurance.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
I go every 6 months. And if I'm going to do something else, I need to go back in 3 months. But I'm not sure I'm going to do that yet. I think you're thinking that I shouldn't.
We'll see.
Well, that spins it back to the menu.
Yes, yeah, the
That's
menu,
where I was.
that is
That's
calorie
where I was
control.
going with it. That's where I was going with it.
Oh my God.
Spin it right back in.
We have a habit of going up to PEI on our annual trip and finding really good recipes throughout the year and then saying what we want to do it when we get up there, and then we just kind of go off the track and go crazy.
So here's the real story. Last year we were
Or
doing.
run out of time.
Yes, that too. We were doing pretty well. Kind of end this. Is he okay if I move?
Don't go. Ah, Goosey.
We were doing pretty well. Here, just for shits and giggles, these are. There's the new king heads. I'll put some more neck on them.
That looks really nice.
Yeah, I think they're going to be good.
Yeah.
I think I will set this down just a little bit, but I'm pretty happy with that.
Nice.
Get
run over, buddy.
So we were doing pretty well last year with our calorie intake, whatnot. We left here. We went to Paris, New York. Hung out with Bob Owens Lone Duck Outfitter for an evening, and then we made our way into Ontario. We were doing good, and we were getting close to Mitchell's Bay, and we stopped for fuel, something. And what did I come out with, love?
Oh, you, no, not you. What a Humpty Dumpty.
Yeah, Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty
At the gas station.
Dumpty.
I think I went in to see if you can't find freaking Diet Mountain Dew anywhere up there.
No.
And I went in the gas station, I guess, to fill up, and I don't know, the credit card wasn't, like, because of the U.S. thing, whatever. Most of the time when I'm in Canada, when we're in Canada, and we use our credit card, we always have to sign. Doesn't matter, even if you're doing it in the electric reader, whatever. So it's one of those kind of deals where I had to go inside for the pump to work, yada, yada. And when I went back in, I'm loading up one. Oh, when I say loading up, it was only two bags, wasn't it? Probably it was a Humpty Dumpty, and I think, like,
Yeah.
as far as...
Vacation is vacation, so it's okay to splurge, but we need to curb it throughout the year.
All right, there's 5 kings.
Nice. So, hang on, we got a question. Oh, someone selling Pitboss hoodies, and got to represent here in Florida, and yes.
We actually even have some lightweight ones, if you wouldn't want.
Yes.
In Florida. Thank you for asking. Karen can hook you up with that.
Yeah.
Your love.
Just go to our website, pitbosswaterfowl.com.
Or.
Oh. And then, yeah.
But anyway.
Or you could text me or whatever.
Yep.
But to order a hoodie is the best thing to do, is just to go on the website. Our sizing is kind of limited right now, unfortunately.
But when we get to once we get past the White Marlin Open, not that we have anything to do with it, but the very nice family that we use to do all our stuff, they were heavy into the White Marlin because all the shirts, all the gear. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is once we get past the White Marlin, then they have nothing to do, so they take care of us. So it happens fast. But all right, love.
All right.
I think I'm happy with what I got done today.
Knock off time.
It was very nice to have the air conditioner on today.
Yeah, gosh. Needed it.
Had her set at 72. Watch this, right? There, shut her down. All right, we appreciate you following along. Thank you very much. A very happy Saturday. I'm not starting with a Corona, but you probably are.
Possibly.
Yeah,
I might wait for Red.
You gonna wait for Red?
Yeah.
But we are gonna do those. What'd you call them? Ground beef racked cheese sticks.
Cheddar cheese.
You didn't get any pepper jack?
No, they didn't have it.
Anyway, we're firing up the Gather Grill. It's going to be hot. Get it like up to 550. Put those bad boys on. Plus some moisture. So, all right. We appreciate you following along. Thank you very much. As always, thinking of you, we are. Boom.
Pitboss life has its ups and downs.